Okay, so we're going to look at how to add a blog item or a news item to Contao 3.2. So first thing we need to do is click on the news item up in the top there, and we have one main news archive. So in the archive we create separate blog or news entries. So we just need to click the pencil here to edit the archive, and we want to add another one in here. I'm just going to clean that one out. So we want to add a new article first, so we click on new article up here, and we're presented with some basic information in here. So I'm just going to enter a title. This will be the title of the article that appears on the web page. You can see here we've got an alias. Now the alias is the actual URL that will appear. So if I hit enter or save the page, it will generate this automatically. And we want to add some teaser text, so I'm just going to get some text in here. I'm going to copy all of this, and I'm just going to paste in the first paragraph of that, just to give us a basic overview of that text. Now for now I'm just going to leave that as it is. I'm going to save and close. I'm not going to publish just yet. I'm going to finish off the article first. So now if we have a look at the front end of the website and click on the blog section, we've still just got the first article in there. So now we've created the kind of main settings of the article. We need to edit it, and we edit it by clicking on the pencil sign. So now we need to actually add the content of the article, and we can do this by creating a number of different content elements. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on new element and position that on the page by clicking on the little arrow. So now this will go at the top. So I'm just going to give this, I don't even think we need a headline for the time being. I'm just going to create some text. So I'm just going to paste some text in there, and for now I'm just going to paste in a couple of lines in there, click on save and close. So now we've got one text element on the page. So if we go back, we've got this example article, and I'm just going to click on publish. So now if we look at this page and refresh it, we should see our example article, the date it was created, our overview text. If we click read more, we can now see we have a page title, we've got the date, and then we've got the text that appears on the page here. So we can add some more content elements to this news article just to make it a bit more interesting. So if we go in and edit it again, we can add a new content element, and this time we're going to add it after, and we're going to change the element type now to images. So we'll put a gallery in, a small little gallery. So now we can change that. We'll select some source files, and let's just select, say, 4 gallery item images. Here they are. Now we'll set a width, and we'll put a bit of margin between them and enable them to be viewed in full size. We've got a thumbnails, a row of 4, and I think that will do us. So I'm just going to click on save for now, go back to the front end, refresh the page, and here we have our images. So they're all different sizes. So I'm just going to change that to the image width and height, so that is the same. Probably make them a bit of playing around here. Just to get them looking okay. So there we have them in a line on the web page. I might just get rid of this one, it's a slightly different format than the others, so I'll change the selection, click on apply, save that page now, refresh the front end, and there we have some images on the front end. And now, once we've added those images, we can play around with the heights of them. Got them a little bit too wide there, so 150 was probably about the right size. So those are on the page, and now what I can also do is we can put a bit of spacing after that. So we've got 2 content elements making up this page. I can also add another one after those images, and I'm just going to paste in the last paragraph of text here. Click on save and close. So we now have 3 content elements making up this one news article.